one of the parrot shops up there.
Oh, that's interesting. Up in New Jersey. Okay. Hi, beautiful birds. So you've got little yellow and big yellow.
Yep.
And then we have Angel, and what's the hawk's head name?
Prince.
Prince.
He's
Okay.
a prince of a fellow.
Okay. I love it. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Very nice. Hi, pretty birds.
Right, it's beautiful oranges and blues under their bottom of their wings.
Guys, look at this plate of food. I mean, Jack really goes to town, and he's cutting up the food in small pieces for the birds so we can feed them. And we've got here's our hawk's head up here. Okay, hi, Prince. How are you? He is beautiful.
He's a nice soft wolf whistler.
Oh, I love him. Hi, beautiful bird. He is so pretty. Hi, sweetie. Oh, yeah, what's the other bird that's in here?
Little green. It's what they call a canary-winged parakeet.
Canary-winged. Wow. Unbelievable. Wow. We're on video right now, guys. Canary-winged
Parakeet of South America.
Wow.
Parakeets are normally of Australia.
Okay.
This breed is from South America.
Okay, fantastic.
They make darling little birds.
Oh,
like to be held in the palm of my hand.
Look at you.
Cute as a little beak pet.
What a cutie. And I'm going to write it down after we finish. Tell me the name one more time.
Canary-winged.
Canary-winged.
Parakeet.
Parakeet. Canary-winged. All right, we're signing off live with Jack and the canary-winged parakeet. Woo! Goodbye, pretty bird. Thanks, Jack. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.